Okay, you might think that this is a shot glass full of alcohol, but you'd be wrong. What I have in front of me is a concoction made by my host mother in Zabrze, Poland. It's made out of lemon.
Come on, drink this vodka with me. Come on.
It's made.
Cheers.
It's made out of lemon, sugar, and onions, and it does not smell so pretty. But it's supposed to make my cough go away. If you look in, there's an onion on top of it. And he's Yes. So hopefully this will make me not cough anymore. Okay. Oh, I don't even want to do it. She just gave me a little spoonful last night. This is a lot.
You don't have to drink all.
Don't smell it?
Yeah, just drink. It tastes better than smell.
Oh, really?
Yeah, vodka.
It has like your whole mouth tastes like onion, but then like super sour when you swallow it, like you just bit into a lemon. It's the most awkward thing ever. So yay, goodbye cough.